Good Tuesday evening to you. Richard Scott here with your forecast update. You got some rain coming in tonight and on Wednesday, and then some colder weather coming up by the middle of the week. Maybe a little sunshine at times this weekend. Here's a look at the radar. Pretty quiet so far tonight. This recording about 9:45 on this Tuesday night. Got a couple of areas of sprinkles beginning to show up for West Alabama. Many of us are dry still. Temperature 54, wind out of the east at about 5. This is a look from Bridini and Tuscaloosa. And winds are beginning to pick up about 5 to 15 across most of central Alabama. And winds will be quite gusty. You'll hear the wind tonight as this pressure gradient really stacks up across Alabama. 50s predominantly across the board, but Haleyville, Coleman, Gadsden, Anniston, they are reporting upper 40s at this hour. Tomorrow morning, starting off the day around 60. Well, actually, we'll warm up a little bit overnight tonight as that warm air advection begins to take over. We'll be in the upper 50s by lunch, then mid-50s by 3 o'clock. In fact, could be cooler than that around 3 o'clock, depending on what time the front does arrive. I'm thinking the front comes in sometime around midday on Wednesday. A lot of rain with that. Some rain can be pretty heavy with that front. Here we go on our radar and satellite. Notice how the showers are beginning to organize across Mississippi and some pretty heavy rain beginning to develop across Arkansas. And all this is part of a system that will impact Alabama over the next 24 hours. Notice all the snow on the north side of that. No snow here, just good old rain, and it's going to be a kind of chilly, rainy day on Wednesday after that front does arrive. Rain will continue for a while. All the snow will be to our north. Here we go in terms of the temperatures. It's pretty cold out west, and that cold air is heading our way, and we'll notice that in a big way for Thursday and Friday. Even going into the weekend will be pretty cool. Here we go in our Futurecast model. Notice the showers tomorrow morning. There's your heavy rain just west of us at 7 a.m. that comes on through. Here's midday. The front should be over West Alabama. Keep in mind, temperatures drop quickly once that front passes through, and we'll continue with the rain for several hours after the front passes east of us. Rain could be locally heavy, but you notice at 9 o'clock Wednesday, there's still some rain out there, but it's all rain. The white line you see north of Little Rock, that's your freeze line. It's going to be way to our north. It does sink southward in early Thursday morning. The precipit's all gone, so no issues with the roads. Thursday morning we'll be good with that. Don't even think we'll see any snowflakes here. If anything, maybe up around Huntsville they could see a quick changeover. Here's our forecast model into Thursday. Again, we stay in the 40s all day. In terms of rainfall, look at about an inch or two for this setup. There could be some minor flooding. We'll watch that carefully. It's going to rain tomorrow. There's a 100% guarantee it will rain everywhere on Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, at this point looking dry. So showers becoming likely after midnight tonight over West Alabama, especially area-wide. Tomorrow, everybody gets a big soaking rain out of the setup. So again, lows tonight in the 50s, rising to near 60 at sunrise, then falling by the afternoon. Could have a little thunder involved, but severe weather not going to happen. I don't expect any chance for that. Could have some gusty winds, maybe with some of the rain, but that's about it. Thursday will be in the 40s. Friday, even cooler, mid-40s. And I think we'll approach the 50s this weekend. The model data has suggested we could be a little bit warmer. Temperatures will be in the 30s at night. This point looks dry this weekend. Monday looking dry and seasonal. We should be in the mid-50s. That's right at average for this time of the year. And Tuesday, a lot of questions about that. There's another front coming in, an Arctic front, and there could be a little moisture with that, maybe some light showers, maybe some flurries. At this point, way too early to be specific on that, but we'll keep an eye on it. If there's enough moisture and cold air, maybe there could be some snowflakes. At this point, again, we're 7 days out. There's no point in speculating what's going to happen that far out. We all know, we see these looks in computer model data, 6, 7, 8 days out. Most of the time they just fade away. So we'll keep checking back with that over the next several days. If it looks like anything, we'll obviously let you know about it. But I do want to warn you, please make sure you watch out what your sources are on social media, and just pay attention to the right people. Try not to get lured into the clickbait where you see somebody posting a foot of snow when it's probably not going to happen. So that's your webcast update. Hope you have a great Tuesday night.